Hello and welcome to another session of Writings on the Wall, presented by HighView Financial Group, Canada's outsourced chief investment officer. We take great pride in facilitating dialogue in the management of wealth. On Tuesday, March 22nd, the federal government released its much anticipated 2016 federal budget. And on the heels of a Justin Trudeau and Liberal government victory, high net worth Canadians have been wondering how this government's budget and future deficits would affect them personally. The Honourable Bill Morneau, Minister of Finance, tabled his first budget dubbed Growing the Middle Class, which is expected to show a deficit of $29.4 billion in 2016-2017. At HighView, we have reviewed the budget and wish to share some of the key changes that high net worth clients and business owners must plan for with the help of their professionals. Regarding personal tax measures, number 1, the elimination of the income splitting tax credit. As of this year, the income splitting tax credit allowed couples with kids under 18 to transfer up to $50,000 worth of taxable income in order to reduce income tax. Number 2, the elimination of the proposed donation of private company shares and real estate. The Liberal government announced its intention in the budget not to proceed with a measure announced by the previous Conservative government that would have allowed investors to donate the cash proceeds of the sale of private corporation shares or real estate without triggering capital gains tax. Number 3, the elimination of the advantage of corporate class funds or switch fund shares. Canadian mutual funds can be structured as mutual fund corporations, and these mutual fund corporations are organized as switch funds. The 2016 budget proposes measures to prevent the deferral of capital gains tax when switches are made from one class to another. Number 4, old age security moving back to 65, no longer 67. The Liberal government is cancelling the provision of the Old Age Security Act that increased the age of eligibility for old age security and guaranteed income supplement benefits from 65 to 67. Regarding business income tax measures, number 1, small business tax rate. The budget freezes the small business tax rate at 10.5% after 2016. Existing legislation proposed the small business tax rate to decline 0.5% per year until 2019. Number 2, small business deduction restrictions. The Liberal government is specifically targeting certain tax structures common with high net worth individuals that allow for multiple $500,000 small business deductions. This move was to address concerns that partnerships and corporate structures are being used to inappropriately reduce or defer taxes, such as targeting the aforementioned partnerships and corporate structures which make multiplication of the small business deduction possible, make certain types of property income received from an associated corporation that could have been treated as active business income ineligible for the small business deduction, and target tax benefits associated with some dispositions of life insurance policy interests. The new federal budget did eliminate some advantages for high net worth Canadians. However, there were a few tax bullets that were dodged, such as a possible increase in the capital gains inclusion rate, changes to stock option taxation, and major changes to small business taxation such as professional corporations and other businesses with few employees were thankfully left untouched. At HighView, we take a keen interest in our government's actions and how they affect our clients. We also work with reputable accounting professionals to deliver an objective and thorough taxation plan for clients. The preceding video is for educational purposes only, as it is impossible to include all situations, circumstances, and exceptions in a video such as this. A further review should be done by a qualified professional. HighView does not accept any form of liability for the content of this video or for any consequences arising from it. We appreciate you tuning in to another session of Writings on the Wall, presented by HighView Financial Group, Canada's outsourced chief investment officer. If you have any questions or require additional information, please call our headquarters or email info@highviewfin.com. Thank you.